7 Proven health benefits of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is loaded with nutrients that can positively affect your health. Made from the seed of the cacao tree, it's one of the best sources of antioxidants you can find. Studies show that dark chocolate can improve your health and lower the risk of heart disease. This article reviews 7 health benefits of dark chocolate or cocoa that are supported by science. 1. Very nutritious. Quality dark chocolate is rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, copper, manganese, and a few other minerals. 2. Powerful source of antioxidants. Cocoa and dark chocolate have a wide variety of powerful antioxidants. In fact, they have way more than most other foods. 3. May improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. The bioactive compounds in cocoa may improve blood flow in the arteries and cause a small but statistically significant decrease in blood pressure. 4. Raises HDL and protects LDL from oxidation. Dark chocolate improves several important risk factors for disease. It lowers the susceptibility of LDL to oxidative damage while increasing HDL and improving insulin sensitivity. 5. May reduce heart disease risk. Observational studies show a drastic reduction in heart disease risk among those who consume the most chocolate. 6. May protect your skin from the sun. Studies show that the flavanols from cocoa can improve blood flow to the skin and protect it from sun damage. 7. Could improve brain function. Cocoa or dark chocolate may improve brain function by increasing blood flow. It also contains stimulants like caffeine and theobromine. There is considerable evidence that cocoa can provide powerful health benefits, being especially protective against heart disease. Of course, this doesn't mean you should go all out and consume lots of chocolate every day. It's still loaded with calories and easy to overeat. Maybe have a square or two after dinner and try to savor them. If you want the benefits of cocoa without the calories in chocolate, consider making a hot cocoa without any cream or sugar. Also, note that a lot of the chocolate on the market is not nutritious. Choose quality stuff, dark chocolate with 70% or higher cocoa content. You might want to check out this guide on how to find the best dark chocolate. Dark chocolates typically contain some sugar, but the amounts are usually small, and the darker the chocolate, the less sugar it will contain. Chocolate is one of the few foods that taste awesome while providing significant health